2 or 3 days ago, I made a video saying that the move for Shiba Inu started. Hopefully you subscribed and you saw it, and I basically drew this chart right here. It was right here, and I told you guys, we're gonna pump to exactly this area. You can mark my words. You can go to the video and I told you this is the price target, and this is the exact moment. Basically, this was a resistance level from my Niki link in the description below that I'm using, that showed me that this is the most likely scenario. And this begs the question, what if you could hold your tokens? I know this is very weird. Just hold your tokens on tokens you believed in. What if you could be buried alive holding those tokens? This video is no financial advice, by the way. Do not get buried alive holding tokens. But imagine just price dropping. Let's go to the 2-day chart. Last year, before Shiba Inu 10x, we were talking about Shiba Inu every single day for pretty much July, August. What if you could buy Shiba Inu then, wait for a 10x? That's what, by the way, a lot of people did. In the comment section, you could see comments pretty much right here, asking, should we sell now? So they were holding those tokens. What if you could do that? This is diamond handing, especially on top 30 coins or top 10 coins on CoinMarketCap. You also gotta be taking profits along the way. You don't wanna have the situation with what happened with ADA, right? Going to $3, 3-ish, and you're still not selling. You don't want that to happen, definitely no. So if you appreciate the video, just slap the like button. I'll do daily updates, price predictions on all your favorite tokens. If you want to see a particular specific token, just comment it in the comment section down below. Or check it out. Subscribe if you want to follow up on the tokens. I'm trying to hit 50k subscribers, and I'm sponsored by MX Exchange that are hosting a Tesla giveaway right now. So sign up using my link in the description down below. Check them out. See you next one. Bye.